Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Fiverr account step by step. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Google browser. So Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can earn money online by selling your skill like graphic designing, video editing and typing, AI works, translating and many more services. So let's start. Let's search here fiverr.com. See here dashboard and right side you can click here join. Click here. So here you can click here continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or you can use your email. So you give email, you will get verification code. So now I'm going to continue with Google. Choose your account and click it. Click here continue. So here have choose a username. Click here and give a username. My username is ready. Click here create my account. So you can see here dashboard. Here have I'm a client and I'm a freelancer. So I will click here freelancer and click next. I have to click here and upload your photo. So your own photo, because it's reliable for your customer. So you can't upload any graphic design or Google search photos. So click here. So I'll upload my logo. Click and open. So here you have to add your display name. So type titles and here languages. Add language. You can add. So here I have add my language and level. Click fluent. So you can add more language here. Click and. So click here to add details here. So here have skills and expertise. So I have add Adobe Premiere Pro. And here I have clicked beginner and add. So work experience. So here you can add here work your experience, title, everything you have to write. So you can see here work experience. I have write video editing and where are the place they are asking. I currently working place and my experience details. And here you can see here YouTube video editing I have write. So you can update. Click here. Here I have two options, education and certificate. So back up your skills by adding any education degree or program you can add here, and certificate you can add here. So add my details, add here. So certificate, click here. So here I have write my certificate details also, add here. So here have are you part of a team? No, I work independently. Yes, I part of a team. So I click I work independently. So click here to continue. Fiverr accounts is ready. So Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing platform in the world. So people use Fiverr to buy and sell online service easily. So on Fiverr, beginner can start freelancing without need any office or company. You only need mobile phone or computer and internet connection only. So you can see here our dashboard. So there are many categories available on Fiverr link. So graphic designing, video editing, AI service, logo designing, data entries, and translator, and social media management, and programming, voiceover, content writing. So on Fiverr service are called gigs. A seller create a gig and buyers can order that service online. So one of the good things about Fiverr is you can work from home and earn money online. So you can also choose your own working time. You can choose your time. For beginners, it's important to create a professional profile and attractive gig image. A good description and clear pricing can help to get more orders. So after completed order, buyer can leave review and rating. Higher rating helps seller to get more customers in the future. Fiverr also has different seller level like a new seller level 1, level 2, top rate selling. So as you complete more orders and get positive review, your seller level can increase. Always communicate politely with buyers and delivery work on time. This help grow your Fiverr account faster. So if you have any skill like editing, designing, typing or AI knowledge, Fiverr can be good way to start freelancing online. So on Fiverr, a service is called a gig. A gig is basically the work service you are selling to customer online. So example, logo designing, video editing, photo editing, AI content creating, data entry, translating, typing work, so everything. So all of these can to create Fiverr gig. So all of these can be created as Fiverr gig. So when you creating a gig, you need to add gig title, category, description, pricing, delivery time, and image or videos. A good gig title help buyers understand your service quickly. So the gig image is very important because it is the first thing buyers see. Professional and clear image can attract more customers. So in the description section, explain clearly what service you provide and what the buyers will receive. So Fiverr also allows seller to create different packages like basic and standard and premium. So each package can different prices and features. So for beginner, it's a better to start with low price to get first order and review. So you should also use good keywords in your gig and title description because keyword help buyers find your gig in Fiverr in search results. So after publishing the gig, buyers can place order directly your Fiverr profile. So the more positive review and complete orders you get, better gig ranking can become. So creating a professional Fiverr gig is very important for growing your freelancing career. So extra, I think a good gig can help you get more orders. Your gig work like online service advertisement and clear description and attractive images are very important. So now let's see. So you can link any YouTube channel link or your Instagram business page or Facebook page, anything. If you don't have any website, just leave and continue. So I hope this video helped you. So thanks for watching, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Take care, bye bye.